Have you ever come across those online stores that claim to raise awareness for serious health issues, but something just doesn't feel right? That's exactly what many shoppers wonder when they visit usahealthconcern.com, a new website selling apparel and accessories that promote causes like Alzheimer's, mental health, and cancer awareness. At first glance, it looks heartfelt and inspiring, but digging a little deeper reveals a few red flags worth knowing before you buy. The site only launched in February 2025, which already makes it extremely new and lacking any established reputation. When you scroll through their collections, you'll notice that many of their product images appear copied or reused from other online stores, which raises concerns about originality and authenticity. There's also no mention of who runs the site, no founders, no team, and no verified business address, which makes it difficult to trust where your money actually goes. Their marketing feels a bit too aggressive, with constant pop-ups, countdown timers, and emotional slogans designed to make you purchase fast. On top of that, there are no independent reviews or verified customer experiences to back up the brand's claims, which is unusual for a company that supposedly supports such meaningful causes. While the prices might seem attractive and the mission sounds noble, transparency is key in online shopping, and USA Health Concern doesn't offer much of it. The overall impression is that it's a site that might be trying to appear more legitimate than it really is. It's not the worst store on the internet, but it's not one that inspires confidence either. So before spending your money, it might be wiser to support verified charities or well-known awareness campaigns that truly stand behind their message and ensure your contributions make a real impact.